Hey there, Perkins musicians. How's everyone doing today? Hope you're doing well. All right, so we are going to learn an activity today called 7 claps, it's kind of a hand clapping game. So we'll call it the 7 claps hand clapping game, or 7 claps. That seems a little easier to say. It's easier for me to say. Okay, so we're going to learn 4 different hand clapping patterns today. Every one of them, we're just going to count to 7. So we're kind of practicing counting in like 7/4 time. It's actually not, the pattern we're going to learn isn't exactly in 7/4 time. But if you want a challenge, you can try this with a really famous piece of music that is in 7/4 time. Different from our 4/4 time or 3/4 time that we normally hear in music class. Okay, so here's the first pattern. So it's very comfortable. All you need is your hands and a surface to clap on. I'm using a guitar case on a keyboard stand. You might use your desk or a table or your knee. All right, so the first pattern, we're just going to count to 7, okay? And tap a surface, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now for each one of these, we're going to call this the A section. The A section repeats 2 times. Okay? So try that whole A section with me. We're just clapping, or kind of not clapping, patting, up to 7. And then we'll start again. Sounds like this. Here's the A section. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's the A section. Okay, here comes the B section. Then we'll put those 2 parts together. Okay, B section, we're going to do a combination of patting and clapping. Okay, it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, notice that the ending of each pattern ends with hands patting the surface, right? So here is the A section and the B section together. Each part repeats itself. So the A section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here is the C section. The C section involves snapping, and remember, just like I say in music class, if you can't snap, you can just kind of do that. Make a sound just by kind of doing that. So snap or this works. I will be snapping, but if you want to, you can just do that. Okay, here's the C section. Remember, it's going to repeat itself, so it sounds like this. It's a combination of all 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, try that repeated with me. Here's the C section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Notice that it ends with that pat again. All right? So let's put the A section, B section, and C section all together. Ready? So A section just starts with the patting. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you get there? All right. It is going to get even more tricky now. Okay. So if you want, pause here, rewind, practice that A, B, and C section until you're totally solid. Okay? So before you worry about adding the D section on, which is what I'm going to teach you next, pause and rewind. Practice everything through 3 or 4 times on your own, all the way through without stopping. I'm going to do one more A, B, C section right here, so you can look at where the time is. Come back to this. Practice this a couple times. Here we go. A section, B section, C section all together. Ready? And ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Practice that 3 or 4 times. Get it perfect. Okay? Well, not perfect, because we're never going to be perfect. But get it so it's really comfortable. That's what I should say. Really comfortable. Okay. I'm assuming that if you're at this point in the video, you have gone back and really practiced. Okay? So here is the D section. The last. We're going to add in a cross, which looks like this. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it is again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here it is repeated 2 times. So here's the whole D section. Little faster too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the D section. Okay, so here comes all 4 parts together. Counting to 7, each one ending here. And there's actually 1 beat that happens before we repeat. So that's kind of like a rest in there. Don't want you to count that though. Okay? So here we go. A section, B section, C section, D section. All repeated 2 times. All right. Count it with me on this one. This will be like our practice one. We'll count it. And the next one, I want you counting in your head. I won't count it out loud on the next one. So first one I'll count, then we'll do it 1 more time, and I'll repeat it. I'll repeat the whole thing through 2 whole times without counting. First one, practice counting, stop, then our last one. Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay. So here it is. I'm going to do the whole thing 2 times through. Not going to count out loud. Count in your head if you can. If you need to count out loud, that's fine. But practice counting in your head if you can. Okay, here we go. 1 and 2 and ready, go. All right, so that is the 7 claps hand game. I'm going to be talking about doing that as we listen to a song in another video coming later this week. So really get comfortable with this pattern, and in our next class, we're going to add it on top of one of the most popular songs in 7/4 time, which is a song called Money by a famous band called Pink Floyd. Okay, so if you want, go ahead and give that song a listen to ahead of time, so you'll be a little prepped for the next part of this activity. All right, have fun. See you later.